Good morning students. Today's class we are going to start our new concept. Okay. This concept I have already explained you in our last class, but again I am going to recall it. Okay. You can take page number 43 in your textbook, NCERT textbook. So what is the concept given? Sum of the measures of the exterior angles of a polygon. I told you in last previous exercise, last problem, if you add all the exterior angles of that polygon, if it will be looking like this. Okay, this is one quadrilateral. If I add all the exterior angles of the polygon, I am getting 360 degree. Yes, do you remember that concept? The same way here also I am going to find the sum of the measures of the exterior angles of a polygon. Polygon, it can be a triangle, it can be a quadrilateral, it can be a pentagon, it can be a hexagon, any polygon. Always our sum of the exterior angles of any polygon is 360 degree. Keep it in your mind, children. Always exterior angles of any polygon. It need not be a quadrilateral, but in last term I have taught you only for quadrilateral. That's why I had told you the exterior angle sum is 360 degree. But here we are generally learning about the polygon. So sum of the exterior angles of any polygon is 360 degree. Okay, did you understand the concept? Yes. Next, there is an example problem given. See, find the measure x. What you are going to find? We are going to find the value of x. So this is exterior angle, this is exterior angle, this is exterior angle, this is exterior angle of a quadrilateral four-sided polygon. Okay, so if we add all the values, all the exterior angles of a quadrilateral, what is the value? 360 degree. Appa x plus 110 plus 50 plus 90 is equal to 360. Appa x is equal to x plus 250. 110 plus 50, 160. 160 plus 90, 250. Okay, equal to 360. X is equal to 360 minus 250. Answer is 110. So x value is what? 110 degree. Why we are finding the sum of exterior angles equal to 360? By this formula. Sum of exterior angles of any polygon is 360. Understood? This is your example number 2. What is the question? Find the number of sides of a regular polygon whose each exterior angle has a measure of 45 degree. We are going to find the number of sides of a regular polygon. What is meant by regular polygon? It is a polygon with all the sides are equal. Okay, we are going to find the number of sides of that polygon. What is the condition given? Its external angle has a measure of 45 degree. So external angle is what? 45 degree. Exterior angle or external angle. Okay, exterior angle is what? 45 degree. If it is one external angle is 45, all the external angles will be 45. Okay, now we are going to find the value of that number of sides of that number of sides of the regular polygon. So what is the formula? Sum of all exterior angle of any polygon. Okay, it can be regular polygon or any polygon is what? 360 degree. Correct? Okay, sum of all the exterior angles of any polygon is 360 degree. But exterior angle you have got. Okay, so one exterior angle, if you divide with the total number, 360 is a total measure. In that, if you divide this one exterior angle, will you get the number of sides? Yes, 360. Can we cancel this in fifth table? 9 times 7, 1, 2, Here 8. Okay, so what is the number of sides here? 8. Okay, this is actually the total sum. If you divide this total sum with the one exterior angle, you will get the number of sides. Understood? Next is your exercise 3.2 first problem. Okay, find x in the following figures. Okay, what you are going to find? We are going to find the x. Actually x is one exterior angle, right? This is also exterior, this is also exterior. So what is the property now we will use for the exterior angle? Sum of all exterior angles of any polygon. What is a polygon here? It is a triangle. Okay, so sum of all exterior angles of any polygon is 360. So x plus 125 plus 125 is equal to 360 degree. X plus 125 plus 125 is equal to 360. So x plus 10 1 5 250 is equal to 360. X is equal to 360 minus 250. X is equal to 110 degree. So what is the value of x now? 110 degree. How you find? Because the sum of exterior angle of any polygon is 360 degree. So I am adding all the values. I am getting x is equal to 360. Understood? Next is your B subdivision. See, this is one diagram where we have to find the value of x. So this is exterior angle. So we want to find the exterior angle now. You should use that exterior property, right? Measure of sum of all the exterior angles of any polygon is 360 degree. By using that property, you should solve it. Likewise, if x is exterior, others also you should know the exterior angles. This is exterior, no problem. This is exterior. This is also exterior, which is 90 degree. If this is your angle, it is actually 90 degree. So here exterior is missing. So what you will do? You can find using the linear pair, is it? So shall I take this angle as A? Shall I take this as A? And this is one linear pair. Sum of linear pair angles is 180, is it? So this is 90 degree actually. 90 plus A is equal to 180. A is equal to 180 minus 90. A is equal to 90 degree. Okay, what is the A value? 90 degree. This exterior angle is 60. This is 90. This is 70. This is x. So shall we write this property? Sum of all exterior angles of any polygon is 360. So shall I add all the exterior angles? Yes. X plus A value is what? 90 plus 60 plus 90 plus 70 equal to 360. X plus 90 plus 60, 90 plus 90, 180, 180 plus 60, 240, 310 equal to 360. X is equal to 360 minus 310 is x is equal to 50 degree. So what is the value of x? 50. Listen children, x is exterior. So we all should have all the exterior angles. So this is missing. So I find using the linear pair. Then I have added all the exterior angle of this polygon. I got the value of x. Your second question. What is the second question given children? Find the measures of each exterior angle of a regular polygon. We are going to find the measure of a exterior angle. Okay, if they have given number of sides, we are going to find the what is the measure of that angle. Okay, that we are going to find it. So what is actually the sum of the measures of exterior angle? Sum of all exterior angles of any polygon is what? 360 degree, right? So what they are saying now, we are going to find the each one of the exterior angles. So what is the number of sides given? Number of sides is 9, is it? So in a regular polygon, all the angle will be equal, right? So each exterior angle of a regular polygon is equal to 360 degree divided by 9. Why? Because listen children, we are going to find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon of 9 sides. Okay, so what we do, we know exterior angle or sum everything is 360 degree and our side is 9. We are going to find each exterior angle. In each exterior angle of a regular polygon, every angle will be equal. So if we divide the total sum of exterior angle by the number of sides, you will get each measure, right? Now can we cancel this in 9 4s are 36, 40. So what is the angle? 40 degree. So what is each measure? 40 degree is your each exterior angle measure of a regular polygon. Okay. In second question, second subdivision is your homework. The same way you should do it. You should divide with the 360 degree because it sum of the exterior angle is 360 degree. Okay. Next, fourth question. Third question is also your homework. That is, you are going to find the number of sides. So if you divide each exterior angle from 360 degree, you will get the number of sides as example problem. Okay. How many sides does a regular polygon have if each of its interior angle is 165? So what they have given the interior angle children, but they didn't give any exterior angle. If it is exterior only, no, you can divide it directly. But they have given the interior angle. So how you will find the exterior angle? Each exterior angle of a regular polygon is, how you will find? 180 minus 165. Why? Because listen, I will teach you how to find this. See, actually this is what your exterior angle, correct? This is what your exterior angle, and this is your exterior, this is your exterior, this is your exterior. Everything is your exterior angles. Okay, this is also your exterior angle. But the thing, this is interior angle, is it? The circled one is your interior angle. What they are saying, they have given the interior angle. We are going to find the exterior angle. Okay, only then we can find the number of sides. So what is your interior angle? 165. So if you want to find this exterior angle, these two are linear pair, right? So this is x, means x plus 165 is equal to 180. X plus 165 is equal to 180. X is equal to 180 minus 165. So if you want to find this exterior angle, you should subtract this interior angle from 180 degree. So that is what I have done here. 180 minus 165. 180 minus 165 is what? 15 degree. So what is your exterior angle? It is 15 degree. Okay. Now each exterior angle they have got. So if you want to find the number of sides, what you will do? You should first write the sum of all exterior angles of any polygon is what? 360 degree, correct? So if you want to find the number of sides, you should divide 360 by 15 degree. Is it correct? You have done in your example problem, no? Children, listen. We know only the interior angle, which is 165. So we know the interior angle. To find the exterior angle, 180 minus 165. I find the exterior angle now. Sum of all the exterior angles what? 360. So in order to find the number of sides, total sum divided by one exterior angle, you will get the number of sides. Shall I divide this in fifth table? 5 3s are 7 5s are 35, 5 2s are 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 4 3s are 12. So how many sides are there? 24 sides are there. So in that polygon, regular polygon, how many sides will be there, children? 24 sides will be given. So if it is the interior angle, what you should do? You should find the exterior angle by 180 minus that interior angle. You will get the exterior angle. Then sum of exterior angle 360 degree. With that, if you divide this exterior angle, you will get the number of sides. Third question, you should divide from 360 degree the number of each exterior angle, you will get the number of sides. Okay, that is your homework problem. Third question. Next is your fifth question. Actually, you can write this question in your textbook itself. Okay, children, see. Is it possible to have a regular polygon with measure of each exterior angle as 22 degree? Okay, they are saying whether we can have a polygon whose exterior angle is 22 degree. They are saying, okay. So whether it is possible or not, they are asking. So what is the sum of the exterior angle? Sum of all the exterior angle of a regular polygon. What is that sum value? 360 degree. If you divide this one exterior angle with this angle sum, you should get the number of sides. Correct? If you divide, it should divided. Okay, so 2 table 11 times 2 1s are 2, 8 to 16, 1. Then if you divide 180 by 11, 11 ones are 11, remainder 7, 0, 6 times 66, remainder 4. So it does not exactly divided. So this measure of each exterior angle is 22 is not possible. Listen, why I am saying it is not possible means, if sum of the exterior angle formula, what is the exterior angle formula? 360 degree. And one exterior angle is what? 22. If I divide it, it should exactly divisible. But it is not exactly divisible, so it is not possible. Okay. D subdivision. Can it be an interior angle of a regular polygon Y? Then they are saying whether this 22 is the interior angle, whether it is possible to have an interior angle as 22, they are asking. Okay, if it is 22 as interior angle, what will be our exterior angle? 180 minus 22. Is it? Yes, what is 180 minus 22? 148, correct? So what will be this value? 148. So let us consider one polygon which is what 360 degree is their sum of the interior angle of that polygon. Let us consider one polygon which is a quadrilateral whose interior angle everything is 360 degree. So let us take this as 360 degree. If I divide that with any of its interior angle, I should get the number of sides. Correct? Can we able to exactly divide it? No, not possible. Okay, so this is also not possible. So one another good idea I will say, if this interior angle is a multiple, okay, if interior angle 22 na, 22 multiple should be 360, then it is possible. So but 360 is not a multiple of 22, so it is not possible. Here also 148 is not a multiple of 360, so it is not possible. Okay, so we cannot have any polygon with exterior angle as 22 degree and interior angle as 22 degree. That is what explained in this question. Okay, just write not possible and you can write the steps in your book itself. Okay. What is the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon? They are asking what is the minimum interior angle possible for regular polygon. What is the smallest regular polygon actually? Polygon. First polygon is its triangle. If it is a regular polygon, it is equilateral triangle because all the three sides are equal. Correct? That is your smallest polygon. So what is the interior angle of this interior angle of this polygon will be 60 degree, 60 degree and 60 degree. So what is the minimum interior angle? Minimum interior angle possible is 60 degree. This is 60 plus 60 plus 60 is 180. So this is the equilateral triangle. Okay, first smallest polygon is equilateral triangle. In that minimum interior angle is 60 degree. Next, what will be our maximum exterior angle? So let us consider this equilateral triangle, children, because that is our smallest regular polygon. So if you have a if you have exterior angle for this, the exterior angle will be like this. So what is our interior angle which I have already written? 60 degree, 60 degree, 60 degree. So if you want to find the exterior angle, what you will do? 180 minus 60. If you take this as x, this also x, this also x. X plus 60 is equal to 180. Up x is equal to 180 minus 60. X is equal to what? 120. Up this is 120 na. This is also 120. This also 120. So what is the maximum exterior angle? Maximum exterior angle equal to 120 degree. So what is our minimum interior angle for a regular polygon? Regular polygon is what? Regular means what? All the sides are equal. In this equilateral triangle is the smallest regular polygon. So its interior angle, that is minimum interior angle is 60 degree. Its maximum exterior angle is 120 degree. Understood, children?